So now that the panels are ready to be put on, I need to clean up. You see all these leaves and all this dirt in here, so I want to take out the wiper assembly here, unplug it, clean everything up as much as I can. Also, I'm gonna be replacing the seal underneath the wiper cowl. A lot of times in these Hondas, they start to overflow, they have a lot of dirt, and then the water goes into the air vent and drips on the ECU and then messes up the ECU, and then you have, you know, obviously some electrical problems there. So I'm gonna take out the wiper assembly, take off 310s that hold it on.
You get the sauce, bitch.
Everything is clean and put on the car here. The wiper assembly with the ducting for the fresh air vent. Everything's bolted down. I did already put the plastic caps here on the wiper assembly, and those have been painted also. The hardware for the wiper cowl I actually got from Downstar. Here's the hardware that I'm going to be using, that is from Downstar. This is basically their fender flare hardware. Here's a closer look at the hardware. You know, you do have these beauty washers, anodized black, and then even the Allens are anodized black. You know, I didn't want to get something that stands out too much on the wiper cowl, and I think these are just going to blend in and add the extra bit of detail that I'm looking for. There's the rubber well nut, but I'm going to go ahead and put the well nuts into the holes for the wiper cowl. Okay, so I was trying to put the rubber well nuts into the little holes here, but it seems like the holes are a little bit too little. I got a drill bit right here. I'm going to widen the holes a bit just to allow for the well nuts. Then we should be able to put the hardware on there. Okay, so now all the holes have been widened. Follow the directions, use the 9mm drill bit. And so now I'm going to put the well nuts in there, and then we'll move on to the wiper cowl. On the wiper cowl, I'm going to try to glue the hinge covers, the rubber hinge covers back on using the Gorilla Glue Contact Adhesive Clear Grip. So hopefully it should just bond them back together. After that, going to be replacing the foam underneath here. From factory, they have the rubber strip here, but you know, obviously I can't get that rubber strip anymore. They don't make it no longer, so I'm going to be using a foam underneath here, just kind of clear it and protect it from any leaves sliding in or excessive water. Now I'd have the foam on here. You just gotta watch out because sometimes it does want to lift, and as long as you make sure it's on there, once you put it onto the car, you shouldn't have an issue with it lifting any longer because it's solidly placed on the car. I just put the foam all right here just so it won't get any type of dirt, leaves in there. It kind of lifted right here, so you just gotta push it right back, apply some pressure on there. So I need to just put it onto the car here and then put the rest of the hardware to really tie it down, to hold it down on there. Now it's time to put on the wiper arm. Of course, I painted these wiper arms and just try to put them on where they should be at. Of course, this is a new windshield, so it's not like they have like any lines from like the old wipers, but I'm gonna just try to eyeball it, hopefully. The wiper arms are installed as well. I did put some new wiper blades on there, Bosch Evolution blades, the 4820 for the driver's side and then 4819 for the passenger side. Take a look at it, guys. It's very clean now. And to me, just restoring the wiper cowl on any car, it makes a real big difference on there. With the new windshield, wiper blades, wiper cowl, wiper arms, thing is looking pretty solid, man. So I'm feeling pretty satisfied with it as is, but let me go ahead and open the hood and take a look. It's looking very clean, like brand new. Even the trim looks very nice. Plastic.